Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Someone needs to teach this girl how to spell. Tacha trolled for writing this on her birthday. A man on social media platform has roasted Tacha of the Big Brother NAIJA Pepper Dem show for making a minor blunder on her birthday after she spelled grateful as GRATEFULL in her post. Recall that a similar incident was used to troll Tacha on social media when she made blunders with spelling of daughter and Port Harcourt while she was still in the Big Brother house. Tacha and other housemates were tasked by Biggie to paint the walls of the house in a bid to celebrate and immortalize themselves on the walls of the house with unique and memorable designs of their choice. Tacha was the only housemate whose design got attention of the fans, especially because she made a glaring error in her spellings. Tacha wrongly spelled her favorite phrase, Port Harcourt's first daughter. It now appears that some fans have not forgotten that, and they have trolled her once again for committing a similar error on Instagram as she celebrates her birthday. Guys, let me know what you think. Is Tacha just not able to spell, or will you consider it a typographical error, or the excitement of typing and posting on her birthday? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.